bowls. So you get 2 of these in each of your kit. So you can use one for water, one for food, or both for water. And they just pop out like that. And they have a handy clip, so you can clip them onto various things and provide So we're going to give the dogs a drink, and this comes standard with the kit as well. So this is a fantastic half water bottle and half for dog food in it. So you can fill it up with water and your pet's favourite food, and you can see your handy little bowls have a clip-on location to your food and water container. So on the other side is some food. So I'm going to give them some food. You don't have to be rushing out on that first day. You've had to leave your home because you don't have any food with you. So they're a great little kit. They come as standard with one of these each in a base kit. They also come in the add-on kit, and you can buy them separately in store as a 3-pack. So I think we're going to give the dogs now what April was after all along, and that's the toys, because we want to make sure that they've got something to comfort them. All right, stay safe this summer, and make sure you yell out if you have any questions about any of our products.